To create a star in Photoshop, right-click and select the Polygon tool. Click and drag to create a polygon and then go to the object's properties. In the star ratio section, enter 50% for a common star shape, or 60% for a slightly different look, as in our example. Enter the number of corners you want for your star. In this example, we will use 5. In the Fill and Stroke sections, choose colors for the inside and outline of your star. In our example, we will use this gradient for the fill and this color for the outline. Here, you can adjust the outline thickness by entering the number of pixels. If you don't want an outline at all, just type 0 pixels. To round the star's corners, type a pixel radius with 0 being the sharpest. You can also adjust this by clicking and dragging the circle icon while your star is selected.